Hello kids, good morning. I hope you all are well. Welcome back to our online maths class. Today we are going to start a new topic, divisibility. Divisible means if you divide one number by another number, the result is a whole number without a remainder. It means if you divide any number with the another number, the remainder will be 0. It means it is divisible by that number. For example, we have taken 12. 12 is first number. We will divide 12 by 6. So when we will divide 12 by 6, we will get 2. Here you will see there is no remainder. So 12 is divisible by 6. Now let us take the example of 15. 15 is divided by 5. So 3 5s are 15. So we will get 3 here as a quotient and there will be no remainder. Remainder will be 0. So 15 is divisible by 5. And if we divide 15 by 3, then we will get 5. So 15 is divisible by 3 also. In the another way, we can say that every whole number is divisible by its factor. Means हर number अपने factor से divide हो जाता है, completely divisible होता है. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these all are the factors of 12. So 12 is going to be divisible by all these numbers. Every number is divisible by itself and by 1. But most numbers are also divisible by other factors. Now how can we find that number is divisible by the another number without doing so much calculation, means without dividing every time? So for that we follow some rules. They are known as divisibility rules. So today we are going to learn about divisibility rules. So the divisibility rule for 2 is if last number, means if the last digit, that is ones place digit, is even, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. Here we have taken an example 3978. So here ones place number is 8. It means 8 is there. So 8 is an even number. So this number is divisible by 2. And one number we have taken which is not divisible. See, 4975. Here 5 is at ones place, but 5 is an odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. So the given number is also not divisible by 2. Now let's see the divisibility for 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Means अगर जो sum होता है सारे digits का वो divisible हो जाता है 3 से, it means the number is also divisible by 3. Now let's see the divisibility rule for 4. If the last two digits form a number divisible by 4, means if last two digits are divisible by 4, then the number is also divisible by 4. That given number is also divisible by 4. Fifth divisibility rule for 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, अगर last digit 0 या 5 होता है, it means the number is divisible by 5. Let's see the divisibility rule for 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, अगर 2 और 3 दोनों से ही divisible है, then it will be divisible by 6 also. Now divisibility rule for 9. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, if the sum of all numbers in the given number is divisible by 9, then the given number is also divisible by 9. 7, 1, 1. If we add 7 plus 1 plus 1, we will get 9, and 9 is divided by 9, we will get 1. So 9 is divisible here. So 711 is also divisible by 9. Now let's see the divisibility rule for 10. If the last digit is 0, agar last digit means once digit is 0, it means the number is divisible by 10. Let us revise the divisibility rule for 2. A number can be divisible by 2 if the last digit is even, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, 6, 7, 9, 8, 5, 1, 2. This number is given. Now here the last number is 2. So 2 is an even number. So here the number is divisible by 2. Let's see the divisibility rule for 3. If you add the digits of a number divisible by 3, the sum must be divisible by 3. It means जो भी given number है, if you add all the digits of that number and the number which you get, that is sum, it should also be divisible by 3. जो sum हमें मिलता है वो भी 3 से divisible होना चाहिए, यानी divide होना चाहिए without leaving any remainder. If it divides without leaving any remainder, it means जो given number था that is divisible by 3. So see the example, 465. Here digits are 4 plus 6 plus 5. What you will get? You will get 15. Now 15 में भी हम दोबारा से addition करेंगे. 15 में भी 1 plus 5. You will get 6. Now you will divide 6 by 3. When you divide 6 by 3, you will get 2. It means that 6 is completely divisible by 3. So the given number, जो number हमें already given था, that is 465, that is also divisible by 3. Let us take one more example to understand the divisibility of 3. Is 136 is divisible by 3? Explain why or why not. So what we will do, we will first add all these number 1 plus 3 plus 6. What we will get? We will get 10. And is 10 divisible by 3? Is 10 comes in 3 table? No. 10 is not divisible by 3. It doesn't come in the 3 table. So the divisibility rule for 3 is that if we add all the digits, the sum must be divisible by 3. But here in this case sum is not divisible by 3. यहाँ 10 3 से divide नहीं हो रहा है. It means 136 is not divisible by 3. ये given number जो 136 है ये 3 से divisible नहीं होगा. Divisibility rule for 4. If a number is divisible by 4, the last two digits are divisible by 4. If last two digits of a given number is divisible by 4, then the given number is also divisible by 4. जो last के 2 numbers हैं अगर वो 4 से divide होते हैं, it means जो number है वो भी क्या होगा, वो 4 से divide होगा and it is divisible by 4. So let's see the example 1364. यहाँ पर last two digits कौन से हैं? 64. So we will check them. 64 divided by 4, you will get 16. यहाँ पर remainder कुछ नहीं बच रहा है. It is exactly divisible. It means the given number, that is 1364, is also divisible by 4. Let us take one more example. Is 244 divisible by 4? Explain why or why not. So what we will do, we will see the last two digit, that is the digit at ones and tens place. So last two digits are 44. Now we will divide 44 by 4, we will get 11. जब हम 44 को 4 से divide करेंगे, we will get 11. It means it is completely divisible. So the divisibility rule for 4 is that if the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. Means जो भी given number है, it will also be divisible by 4. So यहाँ पर 44 divide हो रहा है 4 से, it means जो given number था 244, that is also divisible by 4. Divisibility rule for 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 5 or 0. अगर किसी भी given number का last digit 0 या 5 होता है, last digit means here that is the digit at ones place. If ones place digit is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. So here example is given 7,49,230. Here the digit at ones place is 0. It means this number is divisible by 5. If the last digit is 5, then also the number will be divisible by